A very warm wishes to all. Today we will do the presentation on the topic ESDS Software Solution Limited IPO. In this particular presentation, we will do the complete annexure of the ESDS Software Solution Limited IPO. So now, without wasting any further moment of time, now let's start our video. So at the initial, we have the introduction. ESDS incorporated in 2005. ESDS Software is a leading managed cloud service and end-to-end multi-cloud requirement provider in India. The company provides a one-stop solution to its customers for cloud adoption. The company's offering can be divided into cloud computing infrastructure and software as a service, that is the SaaS and managed services, right? Moving to the next slide. Now we are going to discuss about the company. So ESDS company software offers products across diversified industries including the government ministries and companies and corporate entities across sectors such as the BFSI, manufacturing, IT and IT services. So we have the telecom and the real estate, pharmaceuticals, retail and the educational, and in several countries across the APAC region, Europe, Middle East and the Americas and Africa. The company operates its business through 3 data centers in India, one each in Navi Mumbai, Nashik and Bengaluru. The data centers covers an aggregate area of 50,000 square feet and are connected on the 10 Gbps backbone network. So this was all about the company. So now we are going to look towards the company's strength. So one-stop shop for customers' cloud adoption, a robust and scalable business model, innovative billing solutions for the customers, and one of the leading cloud services provider of India, and also these experienced senior management this company possesses. So this was all about the strength segment of the company. Moving towards the financial information. So in this particular slide we have the 3-year data 2019 to 2021, and the row side we have is the total asset, total revenue and profit after tax. So we can see that in the total asset segment, from the year 2019 to 2021 it has increased augmentally, and from 2,847 to 4,604, and the total revenue is also being the same, like it increased from 1,375 to 1,741, and the same goes with the profit after tax, but we can see a little bit decline, also because of the pandemic reasons that the company had faced after the pandemic. So that is from 138 to 54.85. So this was all about the financial information of the company. So now in this particular presentation we will discuss about the objective. The company intends to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the folly projects, purchase cloud computing equipment for data centers, funding long-term working capital requirements, repayment, prepayment in full or in part of the certain terms loans availed by the company, general corporate purposes. So at this particular slide we have the ESDS software IPO details. The opening and closing date will be of January 2022. Issue type is the big book build issue IPO. Face value of ₹1 per equity share, and the listing at BSE and NSE. So this was all about the ESDS IPO. Thank you all for watching. I hope you are doing very good. Take care, stay safe. Signing off, yourshops.com. Thank you.